Girl, let's go do our hair. To work, like having to, I was literally supposed to be doing my hair, but we gotta wash her ass off because she want to be shitty.
I'm gonna open the gate. You have to run down the steps.
Why did I just do that?
Stop playing with me.
Shitty.
This is fucking insane. You bet not. You better stay right there.
She don't give a fuck what you talking about. Give him a spin.
See, that's why she don't listen to shit. Your ass wanna take pictures and shit of her after she just shitted.
Do a turn. Yeah.
Like you got some sense.
Yeah. Y'all, he's mean.
To clean up shit. You talking about him of me.
Yeah. I couldn't even do my hair.
I love you, but you wouldn't know.
I couldn't even do my hair because of her.
Don't shit in your cage.
Tell a bitch who why. Tell a bitch who why. Don't cheat it down and don't cheat it. Who why? Don't cheat it down and don't cheat it. Don't just supreme. That's why. Who why? Tell a bitch who why. Step up in this bitch. I look too fly. Cop the your shit on.
It's a lot of chicken. I'm not just OD with this seasoning. It's a lot of chicken.
I showed the bitch my pen, then I schooled her. Shot a essay, them in my true heart. Don't cheat it down, don't cheat it dean, don't cheat supreme, that's why. Who? Freaky little sneaky little creepy little rat bitch creeping on me.
Let it marinate for, I hate this smell of raw chicken. Like, let it marinate for 15 minutes.
And every case is giving actress, gangsters giving actress, and all these fake activists leave me baffled, bewildered, relax a bit. Let me relax a bit, I think I need to cool it off. I put some pep up in my step and then I do it up. I try my cutlery and hit my ruler up. Tell a bitch who right.
When I'm lonely, baby, it's like my friends don't know me. Girl, it used to be my home. Got me with a leash, she saw me. Even the trees get lonely. Left me here, 3 in the morning, questioning all the things you told me. me, yeah. Yet you tell me there's no way. Yes, you tell me there's no way. Seems like how you feel, girl. I see you around here with them, cuss me out. When I'm lonely, baby, it's like my friends don't know me.